sings to the dolphins, she hums with the tide. Her melody glides where the sea stars hide. The jellyfish glow when she begins to croon. The turtles dance by the light of the moon. Her hair flows soft like seaweed waves, and fish peek out from coral caves. So if you hear a tune one night,